everybody, I get to learn how to do makeup today.
I'm pumped.
I love it.
Let's do this.
All right. So I set you up with all disposable stuff because obviously you're not a makeup artist. It's gotta get on the go with yourself, so you don't have to worry about sanitary
You mean obviously
reasons.
I'm not a makeup artist.
So first thing first that you're gonna do is either have a clean face already, or you're going to take this makeup wipe. So then you're just gonna want to hit everywhere.
This is like the one day of my life I was like, I hope a few pimples show up.
You're like, nope.
I need to learn how to get rid of them.
I'll just pretend. Okay, so this is just a toner. So after you're cleansing, this just soaks up any other excess oils, and it kind of just like gives a nice clean canvas. There's a little bit of like lavender in this one, which actually calms the skin and takes away like any excess redness. So after I match you, this is what you're gonna do with your sponge. So you don't want to keep it flat like that. You actually are gonna want to rip it, just so there's like texture to it.
Got it.
Because it helps apply your foundation like consistent. Like instead of a smooth plastic surface that it's gonna look like. So you have your little sponge. Let me match your foundation now. So using your color wheel and your color theory,
I'm a little, I'm colorblind.
Oh my god, I forgot! Oh my god!
So the green I might actually get confused sometimes.
Well then, maybe we just won't do that. Anywho, I've got my makeup palette. I'm just gonna hold it up to you so I can match you. You want to turn for your camera. Like, ooh, okay. That doesn't match you that great. Let's
I
try
feel like
this
I'm
one.
pretty pale.
You are. Everybody's different. A lot of times you can't just buy one thing. It'll mix your face perfectly.
So basically all I have to do is just
You're gonna literally
match my skin and then...
Not even. You don't even have to do this now because I'm gonna hook you up with it already matched.
That's
and
for
then,
the best.
Yeah, exactly.
For the best.
And I should show you like in your little mirror. If you check that little spot out, boom. Can you even tell where I put makeup? No, it just blends right in. So once you get your little mixture, this is how you can go in and do it. Centralize.
Over
there. So a little does go a long way. So you kind of dab it on there.
Got it, dabbing.
And then you'll dab it right on there. And then you'll get your little textured sponge.
Got it.
And you'll just kind of go in, keep dabbing, kind of go in like a little circular motion that kind of starts spreading that out from just that area.
Just watching my cheeks jiggle.
So this is just like a setting powder.
Got it.
Specifically for like anti-shine and all that good stuff. Going, and that's pretty much it.
It's gone.
It's gone. It's magic.
That's fun. I like that.
So I mean, that's like it. After that, like
Should have taught me this in high school when I needed it.
Yeah, I'm like, now you've got beautiful skin. What happened?
Yeah.